So hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. So today we are going to be looking at the TDI, that is a Traders Dynamic Index. I know it's a video that I've promised for so long, but today I'm going to teach you something small. Now, disclaimer is on the strategies that I'm going to show you for the TDI. There are so many strategies out there and many people can use the TDI in a different way. But I'll show you around 2 to 3 strategies, not in the same video. Today I'll just be introducing you guys for the guys who don't know about the TDI, and I'll show you 1 to 2 strategies that work with the TDI. Then the other strategies are how I use the TDI on my strategy that I will discuss with the guys in the private group. So if you're new to this channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with your trader friends out there or someone who is new to trading. Let's grow this community. And if you haven't joined our Telegram community, just check for the link in the description. Also sign up with Pepperstone as your best broker. There's a link in the description. And for those who trade crypto, sign up with Bybit and with the link in the description, and you may have access to copy trading with me live every week. So let's dive straight into the topic of today. That is the TDI, the Traders Dynamic Index. Now, the TDI was designed by this guy. That is Dean Mullen. Dean Mullen, sorry if I pronounced the name badly, but he designed the TDI with over 19 years of experience and is behind it. Yeah. Though most times I see on TradingView that other people made copies of it, but this is the guy who came up with the idea of the TDI. So what's the TDI? The Traders Dynamic Index is a technical analysis indicator used by traders and investors to evaluate market conditions, right? To evaluate market conditions and also to predict price movements. It combines, now it's a combination of so many indicators that we're going to see, but it combines the trend, analysis, momentum, and volatility elements to provide a comprehensive market view. That is the TDI. It's so complete. Yeah, it's one of the best indicators I use once in a while. Like if I'm having a cloud judgment on the moves I'm going to take, I bring in the TDI to help me put all together things I'm looking at. That is analysis, momentum, and volatility plus the trend. Yeah, that's how sweet this TDI is. So it also, what does it look at during assessment? It looks at the state of the market. It also looks at the market sentiment. It looks at the market trend, and it also finds you profitable trade setups. I know there are so many indicators out there that also give you a slightly close view in there. Like we have the Vermoncho, that is with the cipher B, that is made up of VWAP and moving averages plus a money flow index. But we shall look at that during another time. But today let's talk about the TDI. TDI gives you a market state, it gives you a market sentiment, it gives you a market trend, and it can find you profitable trade setups. But one thing, never trade it in isolation. Use the TDI in line with your strategy. Now the way I trade it is I go there for a confirmation. I don't say that okay, the TDI should give me a setup. No, I go to the TDI for a confirmation, guys. I just go there for a confirmation, and at times I don't even look at it. That's how beautiful it is. I don't look at it. I just go there if I have a cloud judgment. So how does this other indicators speak? They help you find the sentiment, market sentiment, help you find volatility and momentum. I always tell you, we have a strategy, the private group, a complete strategy that gives you momentum, it gives you volatility, helps you find a trend, helps you find a best entry and a best exit point, and it also flows with your target, the number of pips that's in trading forex, a number of pips that you're targeting for that trade setup. I don't know what other strategies you guys are using, but I believe everything works as long as you know how to use it. So what's the TDI? That's the Traders Dynamics Index made of. It's made of the RSI. It's made of that is a relative strength index. It's made of moving averages. It's made of Bollinger Bands. That is also called volatility bands. Yeah. We're going to look at how to add the TDI on your chart. Let's just break it down. So what is the RSI? Now this video I won't go deep into the RSI, but just briefly to define it, it measures the speed and the magnitude of a security. A security can be an asset like forex, crypto, a stock or something. So it measures the speed and magnitude of a security's recent price changes to evaluate overvalued or undervalued conditions in the price of that security, which is overbought or oversold. So it helps you determine the strength of that security. So we shall set ours to the 13 period. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Yeah. Next slide. So it's also made of moving averages. Yeah. It's made of moving averages. Moving average is a technical indicator. I know most of us know the moving averages. Technical indicator that market analysts like me and you and investors like me and you may use to determine the direction of the trend. One thing I know about the moving average is used largely for determining trend, but there are other things like the TDI, like the VWAP. Trend lines can also be used for determining trend. There are so many things. So a moving average is part of them. So it sums up data points of a financial security over a specific period and divides the total by the number of data points to arrive at an average. Now, how does this work? Imagine you set your moving average to a 9 hour period. You get, it's going to take 9 candles behind it. Let's say all these are candles, bulls and bears. 9 candles, right? I haven't counted them, but I'm just giving you an example. So let's say this is the market. So it gets the 9, adds up all this, the prices, the closing prices of all these 9. It takes the closing prices, guys. It takes the closing prices of all this and adds up the 9, then gets and divides it by 9, gets the total and divides it by 9 and gets you an average price. Then it connects the dots. So if it's here, then after 9 candles it's somewhere here, then around there, like that. At the end of the day, you have those points connected. That's how a moving average is made. So it helps to determine the trend of a security. Now we're going to set ours to a 2 and the slow to a 7. I'll show you guys how to do that. So the BBs, Bollinger Bands. Now I'm going so fast just to give you guys a brief intro. Now the guys in the private group, we shall go deep into it. So BBs or Bollinger Bands or volatility bands. Yeah, this is what I call my rubber bands in the trading. So it's a momentum indicator used to determine technical analysis that depicts 2 standard deviations above and below a simple moving average. Okay, this math, you may not need it, but let's say, I'm going to show you how they look like. Let's say these are the 2 Bollinger Bands, right? So this is, yeah, this some kind of moving average there, like that. Yeah. So this upper band, how do we come up with it? Now this is a 20-day simple moving average. Yeah. These are 20 candles. Now, okay, I don't know what day is that, but okay, this is a 20 period moving average. Let's just take it like that. So how does this band, how is the math done? So you take this 20 plus into brackets the 20 standard deviation times 2. That's how the math comes around with this, and that's how the dots are connected. We are going to put ours to the 34 period. Yeah. So strategies, we're going to also see how the 75, 68, 32 and 25 work. So let's just go straight into the chart and I show you guys how these bands work. Now this is the TDI. To find it, you click indicators and you search for TDI. So they'll bring, just choose this gold mines. You get choose, though you can see there are so many others. I don't know if I'm even using the right one, but I believe it's, sometimes people can choose this. Anyway, I think they work the same. I haven't gone a lot into this. You can see this one has, it shows even the RSI divergences, but that's another strategy. But let's go with this. Yeah, so once you click that, this is what it brings. This is the TDI, the Traders Dynamic Index. So I'll label them out. These blue lines you see here, sorry about that. This blue line you see here, those are Bollinger Bands. This is down, up and down. That's the upper band, and this is, sorry, and this is the lower band. Sorry about my voice. And this is the lower band. Yeah, then we have this middle band here. That's the middle band. Then we have two moving averages, the fast and the slow. Yeah, so if we double click in it, so these are our zones, these are our lines. So if we double click in it, you're going to see that we have an upper band that's blue, lower band is also blue, middle band, which is yellow, average. Now we have the slow moving average, that is green, and we have the fast moving average, and these are our levels. You can come and adjust these levels to put the ones I showed you in the previous ones. So inputs, we have the RSI period that we set to 13. We have the band length that is 34. We have the fast moving average on RSI, that is 7, and we have the slow that is on 2, acting as a moving average. Now, how do we use them to trade? Now you see this. You see, every time the market is in the middle, zero line, it's kind of neutral. So when it comes below, like down the side, yeah, it shows that the market is oversold, and hence you're supposed to be looking for a buy opportunity. And if it comes up here, I like the 70 and the 60. Yeah, okay, slightly. Let's just go with down here. So 70 and the 60, I mean 70 and the 80, I'll be looking for sales. You get, most times I like to see such a shark fin. These shark fins, they give me a clear picture like this one. These are the shark. Okay, this one is not in here, but I like my trades to be with the bands outside, like below these two lines and just there, and that's when I start looking for buys to the upside. Yeah, I use them as like shark fins. These Bollinger Bands act as like a rubber band that, okay, even though it comes out of it, it's like it's stretching it and it's just pushing it back in. So you can see that it forms a shark fin and just pushes. Now this one would have stopped here, but look at how this one gives you momentum to the upside, and you can see that it comes in and forms a shark fin to the downside. Now if you pull up a chart, you can see that, let's see, you see this buy, this shark fin would have worked out, and it just bounced there and you get the buy opportunity to go to the upside. So it works hand in hand with your normal trading strategy. Yeah, you can see that, okay, here it overstretched the overbought. Now this is a strategy that I'm showing you. Overstretched the overbought, shark fin, pulled it back in, dropped it. Now what would you be looking for here? Okay, this is kind of tricky, but it's still giving us that sell. Oh, I've seen something. You see the way the market was moving here, it can give us the same thing here. Yeah, you always have to find opportunity like that, so it can give us that sell. But let's just wait and see. But this wouldn't be so nice because it's not slightly up here. I want to see it above these two areas. You can see this one, sorry about that guys, you can see this one is below and just pushes up to the upside from here, straight up to up there. You can see this one is above and just keeps consolidating, but still. Let's look for another one. You can see the shark fin up here, pushed the market down, market first ranged and later broke to the downside. Yeah, let's see. Okay, this one would affect us out. Of course, there are some reasons. This is the 4-hour time frame. You'd have gotten a nice trade on the 1 hour 15-minute time frame. Yeah, they also fake outs. Okay, this one would be a nice sell. That would be a nice sell to the 50. Let's see. This is a nice buy. You can see the area it's playing on, and it's outside the Bollinger Bands. Push it to the upside. So without wasting my time, that's a strategy that you can use with the Bollinger Bands. Now I'll be showing you another strategy in the next video. Today was just to introduce Bollinger Bands and how they work. Yeah, what they mean and how they work. At times you need to use them with divergences, and it really does a very good role when you're trading. Yeah, it plays a very good role when you're trading. Look at this. Out of the band, SharkFin, push it up. This would have been slightly a fake out, but you have that divergency, which I'll show you guys. Hidden divergences. Yeah, we shall look at all that in the next video, where you'll be able to know that, okay, I have this divergency here. Let me just give you guys a hint. Just like this. Divergency here, I'm supposed to buy and take it up to the upside. Yeah, up to this zone, take out some profit like that. So thank you for watching this video till the end. I'll wait for the next video. So if you've learned something from this video, like, comment, and also if you have enjoyed our Telegram community, check in the link in the description. Sign up with Pepperstone as your best broker with tight spreads and fast withdrawals. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great